Shiv Sena's chief Uddhav Thackeray today said that he and Maharashtra Navnirman Sena chief Raj Thackeray have come together on the issue of Marathi, Mumbai and Maharashtra, and that they will continue to be together in the future also. Uddhav was speaking at the victory rally organized in the aftermath of Maharashtra government scrapping 2 GRs that made Hindi language compulsory from first standard onwards in school across the state. Uddhav Thackera's statement is being seen as a precursor to political alliance between Senas run by him and his cousin. This is his first time in 19 years after Raj Thackere quit Shiv Sena in 2005. That made Thackere cousins have come together on a platform to share the stage on a socio-political issue. The last time the two cousins shared the stage was during the election campaign of the Malwan Assembly bypoll in 2005, after former Chief Minister Narayan Rane had quit the undivided Shiv Sena. Groomed by Bal Thackeray, Raj Thackeray quit the Shiv Sena shortly after in the same year and floated the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena in 2006. Speaking on the occasion, Raj Thackeray said that there was no need to take up this issue in the first place as nobody had objection to teaching Hindi in schools from 5th class onwards as is being done so far. The credit for bringing us together goes to Devendra Fadnavis. What none of our well-wishers could achieve so far was done by Fadnavis. Raj also alleged that introduction of Hindi was just a test case as the real intention of rurals in Delhi is to separate Mumbai from Maharashtra. Both Thackeray cousins appealed to the audience and Marathi community to keep this unity intact. Uddhav also lashed out at Fadnavis government and central government for giving away large land to Adani Group under the pretext of Dharavi redevelopment. The victory rally was attended by Supriya Sule and Jitendra Avhad from NCP Sharad Pawar faction, Comrade Prakash Reddy and Ajit Nevle from Left Front, Jayant Patil from Peasants and Workers Party.